Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to save PDF files in iPhone. In iPhone, you can easily convert any kind of documents files into a PDF, and here's how to do it. First of all, go to your Files app and search for the file that you want to convert to PDF. So as you can see, here's a document file. Now to convert this document file into a PDF, hard press on the file and just tap on, you have to open the file first. So open the file and then tap on the share button at the bottom left and tap on print. And again tap on the share at the top right, and as soon as you tap on this share button, your document or your file will be converted into a PDF. As you can see, my file has been already converted to PDF. Now to save this PDF file, just tap on Save to Files and select a folder where you want to export, and then tap on Save, and that's it. I've successfully converted a document to PDF. And now I'll show you how to convert any PowerPoint to PDF. So here's my PowerPoint. I'm going to opening the PowerPoint, and the same way, tapping on share, tapping on print, tapping on share, tapping on save to files, and it's already converted to PDF. And select a folder where I want to save, and this is how we can convert a PowerPoint to PDF. And now let's convert a photo to PDF. So search for the photo and hard press on the photo, tap on quick actions and tap on create PDF, and that's it. As you can see, the photo has been converted to PDF. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.